প্রিয় নবম শ্রেণীর শিক্ষার্থীবৃন্দ, সবাইকে শুভেচ্ছা আমাদের অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট সলিউশন ইভেন্টে। আজকে আমরা সলিউশন করব নবম শ্রেণীর ইংরেজি অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট 3, টাইটেল সেলিব্রেশন অফ গোল্ডেন জুবলি অফ আওয়ার ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্স ডে। তাহলে আমরা শুরু করি। ইন্ট্রোডাকশন। 26th March is our Independence Day. Every year, this day is celebrated with much respect and honor. This year is the special one. In this year, we are going to celebrate Golden Jubilee of our Independence Day. In our school, we have also taken many steps to celebrate the day and commemorate the historic struggle and sacrifice of our freedom fighters in 1971. These steps have been mentioned in the below. Recitation from Holy Quran. At the beginning of the program, one of us will recite from Holy Quran and another one will translate it in Bangla. National Anthem. After the recitation from Holy Quran, all who will be present in the program will sing our national anthem together. We must sing the national anthem simultaneously. Welcome speech. In this stage, our head teacher will deliver a short welcome speech. He will honor the chief guest with the flowers words. Then he will tell everyone to pay an attention till last. Group songs. The students will perform some group songs regarding our liberation war and independence. 2 students and one of our teacher will also perform single song separately. Poem recitation. Then the students will recite some poems on Golden Jubilee of Independence Day, Bangabandhu and Bangladesh. These poems will remind us the heroic struggle and the sacrifice of 1971. Stage drama. The students will perform a stage drama. They will present the drama on the story of 1971. This drama will play an important role in remembering as the darkest days of 1971. Dance. Dance with song is another part of our program. Some students will take part in a single and group dance to enrich the beautification of the program. History. One of the students will tell us a brief story about Independence War of 1971 at a glance. It will remind us the suffering events of Bengali nation. Guest speech. After the students' performance, the guest will deliver speech on Independence War, freedom fighters, their supreme sacrifice and bloody struggle and Bangabandhu. President's speech. At the end of the program, the president will deliver a speech on the whole program. He will thank all and conclude the program. The ends. The event will come to an end with captivating fireworks as a group of children will release hundreds of balloons into the sky, while Sharmeim Banglar Dhrubotara played in the background. Conclusion. The celebration of Golden Jubilee of our independence is the most memorable day of our national life. We will be so happy to celebrate this day. Hopefully, we will be able to arrange a dynamic program and commemorate our historic story. সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ।